Hi guys, it's your girl Nats and you're watching my vlog.
Hi, bro. Do you
Napataas
consider
ang
yourself as an introvert or an extrovert?
I think I'm an extrovert person depending kung sino kasama ko. So, if we click or if we vibe, girl, my mouth, you can never shut me up. Promise. Kaya ko kahit wala ka.
Oh. Ako nang babalik dito.
Sige.
Yan na yun. Yan na yun. Takin.
How about you?
I think I'm also extroverted but with limitation. Extrovert ako sa mga taong comfortable lang ako. Minsan kasi yung pagiging social, kasi social butterflies ako minsan. Ako yung tinatawag nilang light of the party.
Yeah.
Yung mostly, mas kaya kong makipag-socialize sa strangers, yung hindi ko kilala, kaysa sa mga kilala ko na. Every time na nagbabakasyon sa iba, Bora, ay ang dami ko naging friends dyan, strangers.
Yeah.
Like, naging friends ko sila.
Kumbaga, may instant followers.
May instant,
kapag uwi.
mutual, sana. Kumbaga,
My
gano'n.
question na, girl, what are you doing?
Babe, I'm just helping you. Why are you always yelling at me? Like you're always getting above me.
Tapos sinisigawan mo ba ako? Baka nakakalimutan mo, nandito ka sa pamamahay ko.
Ay, ayun. Plot twist. Bahay niya to.
Tama. Welcome to my crib!
GMA yun. Hindi nila
Sad.
alam yun. Next step is
Powder.
powder.
Sorry. Kailangan ko ng marmar.
Wait lang, the comparison, pakisabi.
Ito
The
naman
comparison.
kailangan ipagmalaki.
Talaga, pakisabi.
Baka nakakalimutan mong
Ano to?
babae pa rin ako.
Ate.
Ah.
Coca-Cola. Nalilito, nahihilo. Kokuto.
Coca-Cola number one.
Ay, okay.
Hindi, mali nga yun eh. Wala lang.
Tayo kasi
Improv
trendsetter.
ko. Ano yung nakita mo? Hayun iyon. Go! Ayun. What's a deal breaker for you in a relationship?
Oo. Ikaw muna.
My deal breaker when the guy is under influence of drugs. Drugs like methamphetamine, cocaine, any form of drugs. That's my deal breaker. Siguro, I'll accept pa if you drink, you smoke, pero yung... Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. You're valid. Where's your inhaler?
No, Alfonso. Okay. How about you? What's your deal breaker?
It will always be, cheating. So yun, cheating, that's my non-nego.
Your deal breaker.
My deal breaker.
Kapartner mo.
My next step is eyeshadow. Let's
Mine is
drink
liquid eyeliner.
eyeliner.
Eyeliner. Are you drunk?
No! I'm not.
The F?
Irapan mo.
Can I just, patay the cause I'm gonna do this one.
Sure.
I'll make it quick.
Yeah, and please open it again because I have hyperhidrosis. It's not going to be
Wag nang patayin. Kaya naman.
What is the hardest lesson that you've learned in 2025 so far?
Letting go the person I love when I still love them.
That I'm letting go.
How about you?
Cliche, people come and go. kung gaano kayo kaband before, the memories that you both share to each other for how many years, even in the decades. People come and go. People can betray you, people can unlove you, people can let go of you kahit na you're still holding on. For me, as long as the feelings aren't mutual. Kasi tayo medyo tayo yung parang as long as we love them, laban, di ba? Hindi lang to relationship, guys and girls and gays and lesbies. Applicable sa in general, ganun. Di ba? Kahit we love them, pero they no longer want us in their life.
Kanina. Letting go the person I love. Letting him go while I'm still in love. So hard. The lesson that I've learned,
Excuse me.
that's when I know that I really love him. Because I'm selfless.
You were able to?
I was able to let him go even though I want him for me only. But it's the right thing for the both of us. Yeah. Connection to people come and go. You cannot force someone you love
To choose you.
to choose you just because you love them. Kasi okay na. Okay na. Okay na ako. Charing lang yun. Galing ko umarte Pwede na ba pang promise?
Hindi ba tayo iiyak?
Hindi.
Ang ganda yung sa YouTube.
Wag na. Vlog mo ba? Tsaka tayo, strong independent woman. At mamaya iiyak. Sa
Off
likod
cam.
ng camera. Or follow up a question.
Go.
Do you still love him?
Of course.
Okay. Ibalik mo yung tanong.
So may
Yes.
question to...
Alam mo na yung sagot. Huwag mo na itanong. Ibang tanong
Oo. Hindi mo naman kasi ma-unlove ang tao. Nung... Sa ano lang?
Sabi nga dun sa Showtime, you can't really unlove the person. You're just gonna used to not having them around.
And you cannot really move on sa mga pain. You just learn to live with it by Tony Gonzaga.
Tama. And time is cool.
Bye!
Guys, natatamaan ko na siya. Yung shockwave. Like,
Ay, drag queen siya. Hindi lang siya kita, pero dito siya ay blagag. Your mommy ay, you're single na.
tama. Pero mas kamukha mo si Papa Odi.
Oh, mas kamukha mo si Mikay.
Thank you. Let's do the muna before we put lipstick on.
Let's do the rabadabango!
Let's do the
rabadabango.
dance.
Rabadabango.
Period. Shit, ang lakas ko. Do you believe in second chance?
You first.
Yes, of course. I do believe in second chance. But that second chance is second chance. Not third, not fourth, not 18th, 22nd, 28th, 34, 58 chances. But yes, I do believe in second chance. I do believe that children is our future.
Teach them well and
Joy to the world. How about you?
yes, I do. People, all of the above.
Ikaw nga 'di ba nagsabi na people are not constant. They change. Pwedeng niloko ka ng tao na to. But when he met someone, maayos na version na siya kasi madami siyang natutunan from you. Just make sure na the person you'll be giving that second chance is worth it. Will not abuse it.
Because
But if ever man na i-abuse nila yung second chance mo, it's up to them na. It's not on you. It's not your fault that you're too kind to people. You'll be rewarded in heaven. You might be taken advantage here on earth, but God sees your heart. And again, always choose to be kind. Nagmamahal, Natalia.
Signing off.
Signing.
My next question
Cheers
is... Question iyan. Di na natuloy.
Bakit ba? It's my vlog.
Di sana ikaw na nag-vlog.
Malis ka dyan.
Kaya ko.
Sige.
Cheerio, ciao, adios. Di ba ang doon kita pa?
Hindi ko. Para marinig nila ang script.
Wait lang, go. Wait lang. Di ba siya mat?
Tignan mo ang ating difference.
Kaya nga, look at the difference, bitch.
No, I'm stronger than you. Like, sige, lagyan mo ako. Dalian mo, habang pinapayagan kitang dagdagan.
Wait lang. Okay. Tingnan mo. Ganyan ang akin. Kasi mas mataba sa'yo, nak.
Period. Kaya ko nang walang chaser.
Hindi ko mapakita. Go. Kaya niya yan. Go.
Wait lang, pwedeng huminga.
Tama.
Easy peasy. Para kay ano?
Para ko yun.
Na!
Ate!
Hindi kita hinusgahan nung sinasabi mong mahal mo pa siya.
O, hinusgahan mo ako many times na.
Tama!
Pag ako nang husga sa iyo.
Wow.
Oh, diba? That's it. After all the disrespect.
Ayoko nang uminom.
Hindi na nainom eh.
Wait lang.
I'm really useless because I'm
What's the question, girl?
Ayan, do you consider that your personality right now in front of this vlog as your facade? Or like, when you say facade, a mask?
No.
So that's how you truly feels inside right now? That you're that hyper, that you're that happy?
Girl, I'm always true when I'm with you. Kung ano nararamdaman ko ngayon, it is what it is. What you see is what you get. That's me. I live in the moment. How about you?
My answer is yes. Kasi, syempre, hindi ibig sabihin nun is I'm not being true to you. Kasi, di ba, off-cam, may conversations.
Yes.
Maybe this is one of the reasons why he hates me so much.
Who?
You know who? Kasi I'm always emo. I'm always emotional. My music taste, lagi na lang sad. Country music, Taylor Swift, Red Album, Taylor's version. Kasi sad yun, broken. I'm into, talaga, pasad. Palungkot na buhay, gano'n. Ewan ko, that's me. And some people hate drama.
Okay, you're valid.
Yeah.
But, should we fix our hair?
Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko
It's like-
marunong sa hair.
Kasi ako, ito na to. And a 1. And a 2. Ito na yun, guys.
Wait
What you
lang.
see is what you get.
Wait lang. Parang kailangan ko na ng red ang aking gitna.
So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you'd like our video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Yeah, always stay safe, and please remember to always choose to be kind. Thank you.